All right, moving on to another breaking input that we are getting at this point. Prime Minister Modi writes to Chief Advisor of Bangladesh, Muhammad Yunus, refers to Bangladesh Liberation War. In his letter to Yunus, Prime Minister Modi says we remain committed to advancing this partnership driven by our common aspirations for peace and stability and prosperity and based on mutual sensitivity towards each other's interests and concerns. Both leaders are likely to meet during the upcoming BIMSTEC summit in Thailand soon. I'm now joined by my colleague Payal Mehta on this broadcast. Payal, first take us through the details of this letter that has been written by the Prime Minister to Muhammad Yunus at this point.
The Prime Minister over here, Sharon, obviously, congratulating Bangladesh on their National Day. And of course, in that respect, the Prime Minister has written to the caretaker government headed by Muhammad Yunus in Bangladesh, essentially talking about the historical tie-up, the historical relation that India and Bangladesh have always shared, their common interests that have been always there. But here, a very important point being made by the Prime Minister over here by speaking about the fact that both of them need to have cooperation as far as the peace, stability, and prosperity of the region is really concerned. And both countries need to take care of each other's interests as well. So, very, very significant development coming to the fore because many people have been asking that when will Prime Minister Narendra Modi have a one-to-one meeting or probably a meeting with Mohammad Yunus, which we are given to understand even though the Indian government at this point in time, including when they met members of parliament at the standing committee yesterday, did not want to give any confirmation whatsoever in terms of whether that meeting could really take place because India is expected to go to BIMSTEC, very soon, which is going to happen in Thailand. And just about last week, and when Mr. Jaishankar was taking a meeting of the consultative committee, his response was also the same in question to what the members had really asked as to when India would communicate directly with Mohammad Yunus and if at all the Prime Minister would meet Mohammad Yunus. So, of course, these are very important developments that are coming to the fore. And of course, Prime Minister sending a message of peace, stability, and partnership for the welfare and prosperity of the region on behalf of the Indian people.